What up, big time gang? Welcome back to another Tommy Big Time video. This one here is the second piece from LORENZO, and this one is an Aragon. Now I noticed right there we got the AD, which is for Android. This is not an Android, I don't think. I don't know if they made Android Silverjets, but this is for sure an Aragon Silverjet, I think. Packaged very well, of course. And yes, it's an Aragon. Bam. Now, I used to have this exact watch, but I had it in rose gold. And when I saw Sean selling it, I was like, man, I need it back. So now I have it in all stainless. Beautiful watch. We'll get into it, and I'll give you the specs and all that stuff after the intro. All right, big time gang. You've seen the unboxing. Now you get to see the watch up close and personal. So we got that skeletonized dial. At the same time, it's black with that brilliant green lume. Unidirectional bezel, 120 click. Listen to that thing, man. Sort of a case and cradle design. Super different case style, and that's why I wanted this watch again. I had it. I wanted something more. I let it go, and I regret it ever since. The one I originally had was rose gold, and I really wanted it back again. And so I found this one in stainless from Sean, and I jumped on it. I was like, okay, I got to have it back in my collection. So here it is. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Case back. Got that cutout rotor. Now this is a Japanese MIYOTA 21 jewel movement. The movement is 8N24. 650 water resistance. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Aragon Silverjet. And of course this is Wing engineered. Wing designs all the Aragons and Androids. And this is a really classic design of Wings that you don't see put out very much, but it's just a really dope looking watch. This is 50 millimeters. The bracelet design is just so different. I mean, look at that. Just a really different look. You've got the satin finish on the outside with the brushed in the center. Just really good looking. And you've got that mix on the bezel as well. You've got the polished and the satin. And then you've got the brushed on the case and the satin on the bracelet. Just really good looking watch. And even though I love my rose gold and I like the rose gold tone, I like this one even better because it's all stainless steel. It goes with more. Even though I really love rose gold, I don't wear anything that really matches rose gold. So normally I'm just wearing like all black when I wear a rose gold watch. This way I can wear multiple colors with this watch. It's just a classic stainless steel and black. You can't go wrong with those colors. It does have a screw down crown. Just a design that I had to have back in my collection. I don't know if you've ever done that before, but you know, you let something go and then you're like, man, I should have never let it go. That was the remorse I had with this one. The only thing is you have that stamped steel clasp instead of the milled, but no big deal. Wing wasn't doing the milled clasp on everything like he has been lately until recent. I think the dollar value mattered, whether you got the milled clasp or you got the stamped. And I've noticed lately everything that he's been dropping is coming on the milled clasp, not the stamped like this one, which I appreciate. I like that a lot more. So anyway, I just want you guys to know I'm super excited. if you're on Facebook and you're looking for a watch to buy, if Sean's still selling, hit me up and I'll link you up with Sean and you can check out what he's got. My transaction with him went flawless. Reputable seller, package well. I got no beefs at all. So definitely hit me up if you want his information, and I'll pass it along to you as long as I will get the okay from him. All right. Stay tuned for photos and wrist shots. And I'm going to size this watch, so I'll put that at the very end of the video. That's why I'm not putting it on my wrist right now. I'll have that at the end of the video. Much love, big time gang. All right, so now we've got it sized up. Took 2 links out. I'm not sure if I told you the model number already, but that is A232 Aragon Silverjet. And now we're going to put it on the wrist, of course. Like I said at the end of this video, after all the photos and everything, if you stay to the end, I will show you how to do the sizing on this watch. And here it is on the wrist. Just a beautiful watch. Big shout out to Sean. Glad I got the watch. And now I have a Silverjet back in my collection. And it's in great shape. He took good care of it. I don't even know if he wore it. It's in that good a shape. So super pleased with my purchase. And if you notice a fad or a trend here, I'm besides Aragons, I've been purchasing from collectors lately. Been getting used pieces from them that I actually really want, instead of buying from the stores. And the reason is I'm after stuff that isn't readily available through the stores at this time. I'm after older models that are sold out, and this is one of those that I don't believe is on the website anymore. So happy to put my money in somebody else's pocket for the right price. I'm always shopping, whether I have the money or I need to make the money. I'm always shopping for a new piece to keep the content flowing for the big time gang. You know what I mean? So if you're selling, hit me up. And if we can work a deal, I'll definitely make it happen. So anyway, stay tuned for photos. And if you want to see the sizing, stay till the end. So if you stayed to the end of the video, much love, appreciate it. Like I said, we're going to size this watch here at the end of the video. And I just put it on my wrist and then took it back off. But I'm thinking it's going to need 2 links. This is a folded pin. So just follow the arrows there. And give it a little tap, tap, tap. And knock it right out. I'm going to take 1 link out of each side because I believe they're even. So actually, the 12 o'clock looks like it has more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, counting the one that's in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll do 2 out of the 12 o'clock side, and then we'll see where we land. Make it a little easier. So this does not stay due to these protrusions here on the bracelet. It does not stay in my bracelet holder. So we're just gonna kind of lay it there like it is and give it some love taps. Okay, 2 pins out. That's simple. I skipped one because I'm taking 2 links out. Remove the pins, and the links should come right out. There we go. 2 links out. See them there. Bam. Put it right back in, and then push the pin right back through. There it is. Set it back up here. Give it a couple taps. Now I'm going to give it a love tap with the pin punch to make sure that it's in there nice and secure. Okay. Now get it on the wrist. And it's perfect. And here it is. Bam. I dig it. Yes, sir. Another winner. And there it is. So I appreciate you all that stayed to the end. Drop that hashtag big time gang till the end. Much love. God bless.